Welcome to I Talk You Talk. There is a saying, if you don't have a phone, you are considered to be disconnected from the world, which is very true in the current world. Okay, let's have a look at the countries with most smartphone users and most mobile phone users. Before getting into the list, here is a fact. A recent study by Deloitte says that 89% of the mobile phones purchased in India are through online e-commerce platforms. Now, the top 10 countries list. 10th rank goes to United Kingdom. They've got 55.5 million smartphone users. 9th rank goes to Germany. They've got 65.87 million smartphone users. Mexico is seen to be on the 8th spot with 65.35 million smartphone users. Japan takes the 7th spot. They have 72.58 million smartphone users. 6th rank to Indonesia. They have 83.91 million smartphone users. Russia took the 5th spot with 95.37 million smartphone users. 4th place goes to Brazil. They have 96.86 million smartphone users. The 3rd spot goes to United States of America. They have 260.24 million smartphone users. The 2nd spot is taken by India. They have 345.92 million smartphone users. China bags the 1st spot with 851.15 million smartphone users. Let's see the number of mobile phones used in these countries. I'm going from the top. China has got 1.68 billion mobile phones in total. India, they have got 1.38 billion mobile phones. USA has got 327 million mobile phones. Brazil, 284 million. Russia, 256 million. Indonesia, 385 million. Japan, 146 million. Mexico, 101 million. Germany, 107 million. United Kingdom, 83 million mobile phones. This number includes both smartphones and the regular mobiles. Are you curious to know which country has got the most of iPhone users? Well, if you guess USA, it's wrong. Though they have 120 million iPhone users, USA ranks only second to China. The number 1 spot goes to China. They've got 228 million iPhone users. iPhone users in these two countries alone counts for 47.8% of the total iPhone users in the world. Why don't we check the countries with least cell phone users? Okay, here is the list. Tuvalu, Falkland Island, Marshall Islands, Montserrat, Nauru, Cook Islands. These countries has got less than 10,000 mobile phone users. Mostly because all these are small islands and they don't have big population. Let's also look at the countries which has got less than 50,000 mobile phone users. It is Kiribati, Palau, Anguilla, Micronesia. All these countries have got less than 50,000 mobile phone users. I hope the video was informative and you liked it. Please do put in your comments and critics. Do share the video. Thank you. Welcome